Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a replace text comments and markup to a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select review option in the top menu bar and here you will find this replace option. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor, select your text you want to replace and see this. This pop-up dialog box now open. Now add your replace text based on your type. Add type your text. Click here and select this properties option. You can change this border color. See this. Double click on this text and option alignment you can change and so on. In this way you can add replace text comment to a PDF file and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.